This video, we're going to talk all about how you can 10x your subscribers on YouTube with this 90-day strategy. And you're going to love this strategy if you're brand new to YouTube, because it is completely stress-free, super simple to do. And in fact, it's going to absolutely blow your mind how easy this is to do. And you're going to breathe a sigh of relief, because creating YouTube videos won't be as stressful as you think. And hopefully, I want to be the person that helps you through your YouTube journey, get you to be monetized and earn an income other ways, however that might be for you. But this is really good for people that are in the education niche, the how-to. Anyway, let's just get into it. The reason why the strategy works so well is because you are going to give your viewers exactly what they want. And they're going to be happy for it, right? Now, the great thing about that is not only you're going to get views and subscribers, but something else happens. You see, when people start to like your videos and you're keeping people on the YouTube platform, you're giving what YouTube wants. And that is keeping people on the platform. And for that, if you can do it, YouTube will reward you by pushing your video out to more people, therefore you getting more views, and obviously in turn, getting more subscribers. So what is this strategy? It's answering questions. That's it. Nothing fancy. We don't have to worry about your background, your lighting, or just being perfect. Your job with this process is to create value and create content that actually helps people. Content that solves your viewers' problem. And when you can do that, you're going to build the trust and you're going to build credibility with your viewers, and they're going to want to subscribe. Okay? And the best part is this is super easy to do, and it's not stressful. You just have to put in just a little bit of work and start creating your videos, and you'll be good to go. And again, this is a super simple strategy. Okay. Once you get to the point that you probably, you won't even need the strategy anymore, then by all means, go past it, go do advanced stuff, right? But in the meantime, super simple. And the goal is for you to get in momentum mode. And the way to do that is by getting discovered either on Google or on YouTube. And we're going to use two tools to do that: Answer the Public and ChatGPT. So here's a website called Answer the Public. And what you want to do is you want to select YouTube. And then what you want to do is put in 1 to 2 words of your niche that you want to create content about. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to give you searches that people are already searching for in YouTube about your niche. Isn't that awesome? So you create a video about a specific topic that this tool is giving us, and it ranks in YouTube and Google. It's going to get views. So what we want to do is, the bright orange, I guess that's orange, is highly searched. So what you want to do is go to this circle thingy and, check out the ones that have that color. And, obviously you can feel free to do this with your niche. Oh, and this tool, you get 3 searches a day, I think, and 100% free. I think you do have to create an account though first, but again, you get free searches. There are 3. And then, you can just, if you don't like anything above, you can just keep scrolling down. You get more ideas. Anyway, and then what we're going to do, we're going to get our phrase. And I did find a phrase. And we're going to plug it into ChatGPT. So the phrase that I picked was, "Why is weight loss so difficult?" So I gave it a little prompt and I said, I want to create a 5-minute video on YouTube with the title, "Why is weight loss so difficult? Can you please create an outline of this video?" So once you put that in, it's literally going to create an outline for your video because that's what you asked it to do. And maybe you don't like all these points, you know, maybe you want different suggestions. Then what you could do is give it a prompt. Can you please give me more bullet points? And it will give you additional bullet points that you can, you know, obviously make your own. Obviously, you don't want to read this word for word because it's probably not going to be entertaining. That's for sure. If you read it word for word, and you definitely want to add in your personal stories because it is your personal stories that's going to build the connection with your viewer, and then therefore they're going to want to subscribe. So something else that I did is not a fan of this title, right? The why weight loss is so difficult. I mean, I guess it's not bad. I don't know. I'd have to think about it. But maybe you didn't like it. So what you can also do is you can ask it, can you please rewrite this title to make it more appealing? So here it gives me 10 ideas. Now, because we know that this is a phrase that people are entering into Google and YouTube, you definitely want to leave these words in your title because that's what people are searching for. But I do recommend that you make it maybe just like a little bit appealing, like why weight loss is so difficult. And then maybe you could say, and what you can do about it, or something like that. Or maybe you like one of the other ones better. So now that we have our title, you can even ask it, can you please let me know how I should create my thumbnail? So ChatGPT just makes it so easy. And I love this. I love this so much for people that are brand new to YouTube because it just, like I said, it just makes everything stress-free. So it gives you, you know, a sample of what it could look like. And then it has some text that maybe you can put on your thumbnail as well. And now with thumbnails, people are saying that you should not have any more than three to four words on your thumbnail, because if you have too much, number one, it just gets hard to read. And number two, if you're looking at the thumbnail on a mobile device and you have too many words, you may not be able to like actually read it. So try to keep your words big, but just not as many. And the reason why I titled this video 90 days is because there's something about 90 days when you are consistent in marketing your business, or, you know, creating YouTube videos, or, you know, any other social media site. If you're consistent for 90 days, your channel will start to go into momentum mode. And that's when YouTube is really going to start to push it out. But number one, you have to be consistent. And then, of course, you have to create quality videos that people actually want to watch, right? So there's no better time to start the strategy, because in 90 days, we're going to be in the beginning of January, which is going to be the beginning of a new year. And that's when, if you can be in momentum mode in the beginning of the year, that's when your channel will absolutely explode. And if you are interested in learning exactly like the monetization process, you want to know all the details about being monetized, I do have a video right here. If you want to check that out, that would be awesome. Let me know in the comments what you think of this strategy, and I'll see you on the next video.